So typically the first thing that I'd like to do is to try to get a spot where it would kind of peel up. I'll just peel it back. Notice I'm not pulling up, I'm sliding it back. Typically, if you would feel any resistance or anything like that, you use some like C22 Solvent. That will help with that. Try to get the edges. Normally, whenever I take the glue off, I'll normally just douse it with some C22. I'll let it sit for like 2 minutes, and then I'll run it under like warm water. I'll take a little bit of C22 and spray it on my scalp, just kind of remove any of the leftover glue. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey, if you're not comfortable installing or maintaining your own systems, please come see us at one of our 5 GTA locations where we have professional stylists and affordable pricing.
All right, got the glue off. Now what I'm doing is I'm kind of just washing it, getting any of the oils off and stuff like that. Make sure that there is no glue residue on it. And it looks pretty good. Take like a washcloth or something, pat it dry. I like using these little makeup silicone brushes. Seems to be pretty good when it comes to applying the glue. Typically I just put a decent amount in the center. I can go a week, 2 weeks without having to reapply it. All right, it is now clear. So what I typically like to do is I like to take a mirror and place it down right in front of me so I can kind of look down and guide where I want my hairline to sit, and then try my best to match up where this balding area is when it goes to placing it on. So that's that. I like to kind of take this detangling brush, kind of comb it back. Now it's just basically style. Style to your preference. All right, that's typically how I would style it. Turn around. All right, that's my install.